Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to change the font of your text. It's very easy. Open Play Store and search for Emoji Keyboard. I already have it installed, but click on this one and install it, then follow the instructions. When you install it for the first time, it will take you step by step to activate the keyboard, but if you go to your settings, language and keyboard, you can make changes anytime. So after you make sure the emoji keyboard is activated, let's go for instance on Instagram to post something. On the keyboard, click on this F letter and the font options will show. I will choose this one and I will write a quote. Now I'll change it again for another one. And another one. So you get the idea. And this is how you can easily change the font. Also, the emoji keyboard is customizable, so feel free to play around and make your own dream keyboard. I hope you find these informations helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.